Hello, Jesse Quinn here on the 13th of the 3rd, 2022. We've got traffic control here. Clean up the mess here. Whole section off the street. Trucks arrived at 6 AM. And off they go again. Let's just watch what these guys do. They know what they're doing. Beautiful teamwork. Good on you, mate. I've been up last night doing the security work for Ground Zero. Good on you, buddy. Security guard did an excellent job considering the circumstances. Clean the screen. It's a bit grubby. On your champ. Let's go and check it out from the middle. Good on you, buddy. We got burnets. Good on you, bud. Blackboard. S&L sand and gravel. Good on you, mate. Have a good day. What's that, mate? You too, sir. Good on you, mate. Good work. Well done, eh? Keep it up. We got landscape suppliers. Good on you, mate. Say good day. How'd you go last night? You're the man. All right. Now ready to rock and roll. Up comes the day. Morning, boys. Well done, eh? Thank you. We got Bobcat ready to go. Bellin and tipper higher. Good on you, mate. We got Bobcat over here. Had a young gentleman come in from SES. He's waiting here in the dark. Come back and look after his family. Ground Zero over here to assist the people with food and essentials. Service Australia. Good on you, bud. Food, washing, bank. Beck's Hill haulage. Grimes. Gurneys. Morning, mate. Traffic control. Good on you, buddy. and more trucks. Chambers. Road control. Morning, mate. You well? Good one. Thank you. Traffic control. Good on you, madam. More trucks. You got a pilot vehicle here. Blue dog earth moving. You got the lot. Got traffic control. Service station over there is totally obliterated. Good morning, buddy. How are you? Good, mate. Blue dog?
Yeah.
Go hard. Have a good day. Got cold water and anything you need in here for you later on. My name's Jesse Quinn. It's 6:30 a.m. on the 13th of March 2022. Here we go again. Let's get into it.